Hello, you all. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you are safe. I hope you are at home and not cribbing about the lockdown because this is for our benefit right now. So, first of all, I want to give a big shout out to all of those who are tirelessly working at the forefronts and battling and helping, like the doctors, the delivery guys, the medical store, and everyone. Also to all the astrologers, empaths, the light workers who are meditating and who are constantly praying for the world to be at a better place right now. Thank you for all of you as well. And my heart goes out to all who've lost their friends and family and their dear ones. I'm very sorry for your loss, and I hope things will get better soon. So together we can fight this battle. This is a huge chaos at this point in time, but let's not, get our inner self chaotic. And also, quick word of caution, please stay away from fakers and scammers. I will never proactively ask you for your account number and details. If you wish to book a personal tarot reading, then you need to connect with me on contact.luminousguide@gmail.com, WhatsApp, or Instagram or Facebook direct messages, but I will not proactively connect with you. Okay, so this is an overall message which is for the earth sign, which is Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus. I generally do individual signs, but right now I'm channeling and I'm not in the energy space to do individual readings, but I am taking personal readings as well. All my readings are not gender specific, it's as per your energy at this point in time. Take what resonates, leave the rest. Okay, please stay till the end, because towards the end of the reading, even after I've finished with your reading, towards the end of the reading, you have a message which is an angelic number message and a message from your spirit guides. Okay, so let's start with you, my Capricorn friends. The overall energy that I see for the month of May 2021, it says understanding. It's a very beautiful energy. First of all, you may be seeing a lot of feathers is a possibility. You may be seeing a lot of birds. You may be connecting to a lot of birds. I connect with a little birdie who sits outside my window all the time. It's a little parrot that keeps calling out to me all the time. You may be seeing an immense sense of understanding right now in your relationship, in your journey where you're going ahead. You feel right now that you've got somebody who can have this profound understanding for you, something that was lacking in past. It's a possibility. Also, you would be understanding to a lot of people's sentiments and emotions and create empathy. Overall is a strong message that I'm getting for my fellow Capricorns for the month of May 2021. And like I said, for there are some who were lacking an understanding in a partner, a relationship, in career, or generally in life. Now you feel that there is somebody in your life who can understand you better, and you can work as a partner or a collaboration. It could be in anything, maybe family, friends, love life, career, could be could be anything. So the understanding, the essence of understanding that was missing in your life is now a part of your life majorly. Okay, and especially for the month of May 2021. Now, in terms of career, it is number 16, number 7. Okay, so 1 plus 6, 7, number 16. It talks about life experience, right? Because a lot of you who are watching right now could be very experienced people that I know, and you have, it's more of a tower moment that's happening in your life where things are crumbling because of some sort of belief system that was not serving you right. So let go of the belief system that is not serving you right, that no longer works for you. Maybe there is some old traditional method that's not working for you. You need to let go of that. And also, you may be going through a very important phase of your life at this point in time. A life changing event is taking or happening in your life at this point in time. You are going through a phase where a situation can lead to significant opportunities in your life. So that's a very, very clear message I'm getting for you, my Capricorn friends. Also, in terms of love and relationship, this is a beautiful card. It is number 8. So you may be seeing a lot of 888, 888 or whatever. See, this person is walking away from the cups, okay, which does not serve him right. So you are in that position where you're walking away towards light. You're walking away from darkness towards life in your relationship. You're walking away from all the relationships that was not serving you right, that was not meant to be, to a better relationship, is a strong message that I'm getting. Overall message from your angels is don't stop. Okay, so whatever you think you're doing right for yourself, do not stop. All right, that's the message for my Capricorn friends. Now let's talk about Virgo. So for my Virgo friends, this is consciousness. Maybe you're tapping into your inner conscious in the month of May 2021. You're meditating, you are now getting into a very intuitive energy. That's a possibility. And also in terms of career, it says Two of Springs, which is Two of Wands. It's a fire energy. It talks about, you know, you're manifesting a bright future. You're doing a lot of hard work at this point in time, for sure. A lot of work into creativity. Maybe a lot of you are marketing professionals who are watching this. You're definitely wanting to partner, or you will be partnering with something that manifests for your higher goods, your dreams, your vision. You're focused on your goal, that kind of situation. You will be making great progress, okay, in terms of career, my friends. And also in relationship, you are into the devil energy. So the devil energy is a Capricorn energy. Maybe you're thinking of a Capricorn, or you're dealing with a Capricorn. I'm a Capricorn, so if you're thinking about me, let me know. Okay, anywho, so the devil energy talks about a lot of you know, passionate relationship is what you're looking for some of you. A lot of bang bang boom is in your mind. For some of you, you are into a toxic relationship also. That's a possibility. For some of you, you're into an addictive relationship. For some of you, there could be addictions that is hampering your relationship, which is inner addiction, outer addiction, could be anything. Okay, so take what resonates at this point in time. And the messages from your angels is perfect timing. So whatever you're doing right now, it is the perfect timing. Whatever you're looking to do right now, it is the perfect timing. Okay, moving on to my Tauran friends. So for Taurus, we have the overall energy as fighting. There is some element of fight going on in your inner space, your heart, mind, body and soul, or your outer energy in the month of May 2021. Could be a good fight, could be a fight that's stressing you. I do not know. You comment and tell me. Okay. And in terms of career, you have the Hermit card, which is number 9. So Hermit is all about taking composure, taking a break, taking this you know, going through the healing process. It's also finding a mentor when it talks about in your career. It's taking a break from society, taking a break from something that does not serve right. Sometimes to move ahead, to move forward in life, you need to take a step back, pause, you know, gain that self worth, and then go ahead. You will also be committing to a spiritual growth in your career, so that's a possibility for my Taurian friends. Apart from that, in your month of May 2021, this is your card, which is King of Wands for relationship. You will be getting into an element where you are kind of, you know, making a lot of strategies in terms of relationship in your mind, because a lot of time, if you're idle at this point in time, you may just be getting on social media and hooking up with a lot of people. For some of you are looking for a very fiery and passionate energy. You may be dealing with an Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. That's a possibility. For some who are already in a relationship, you are doing a lot of bang bang boom boom. That's a possibility, so be careful out there. And your overall angels are telling you do not need to worry. So you do not have to worry of what's coming next, because breathe, like gain composure, go back into the meditative mode, like stop, pause, and then go on to the next level wherever you're going. So the overall messages for my earth sign, which is Capricorn, Virgo and Taurus, which is your angelic number that I got today, is number 333. Wow, I love this number. 3 and me have a huge connection. Number 333. So it's the Holy Trinity, the Father, Son and the Holy Ghost kind of situation. The past, present and future. It's recognizing and acknowledging your life, acknowledging and recognizing the higher purpose that you are made for. You're born with unique talents, my earth sign people, okay, with unique talents and abilities. Tap into that, recognize and move forward is the number 333. You may be seeing a lot of number 333, okay. And also the overall message that we get for you is this beautiful Mother Mary, okay. So you may be seeing a lot of roses, you may be gifting a lot of roses, you will be gifted a lot of roses. You are tapping into the energy where Mother Mary is speaking to you directly, and she's telling you to let go of what does not serve you right. Choose peace, okay? Healing is possible at any time in your life, okay? I wish you all the best. Please stay safe, and I love you all, and let's talk the next time. Bye bye.